So we're here in Wild West City, and it is pouring rain right now. I reckon they ain't seen a storm like this since ain't that famous storm of 1862 where Dr. McGovern lost his boots in the mud. As you can see, we have to walk back to the motherfucking car in this shit. Yeah. And we're staying dry inside the arcade, except for Dante, who keeps running outside like a retard. Dante, run across all the way and then come back. Why? Just do it. Let's see how wet he gets. Now I reckon this is gonna be one wet boy right here. Come here a minute. You're soaking wet. Congratulations.